That's terrible. That is just the worst piece of crap. No, you cannot talk about something toxic shock syndrome. It's the feminine blood record. You can't have Tampax for a hot song. I'm sorry, all I can think of is Tampax. Whoever wrote that should be fucking shot. And I might love that person, but you can't do that. Not if you have a twat, one you like. I like my fucking twat. You know? How can you be doing that? And for Britney, because I actually like Britney, but I thought that was the end of her career. And look, it hasn't been so hot after Toxic, you know.
On my left side, boys on my right side, boys in the middle, and no, not here. I need a big leg from a girl's down. You get